Hi, we have just released an integration with Webflow, so you can now manage your Webflow page and content translations with SimpleLocalize, and I wanted to show you how it works. Let's get started. First, install the SimpleLocalize app on Webflow. You can do that from here, from the App Store, or you can do that directly from your Webflow page in here. Just search for SimpleLocalize, like this, and install on the website. Now we need to authorize SimpleLocalize, give us access to the workspace and pages, and let's authorize it. And now choose if you want to create a new project for it or use an existing one. We'll create a new project called Webflow Pages and connect it. Now we are on the integration settings page, and here we can choose which content we want to synchronize in this project. So I will choose only pages, and we have an English language here as a primary language, which we will receive when we synchronize translations. So let's do that, and let's wait a moment to receive all the text and content from Webflow. Okay, it's ready, so you can check that in the Translations tab. We just have English in here, but you can see all the page content in here already. Now let's add a new language. We do that on the Webflow Sites, so we go to Settings, Localization, and let's add a new locale for Spanish, like this, and let's save it. Okay, and save changes. Perfect. Now we go to SimpleLocalize. We need to import the new information from Webflow, so we import new languages, and we go to settings. Here let's choose Spanish from the languages list that we want to synchronize. So let's choose it, and SimpleLocalize will create this language and add it to the languages list. So again, let's wait a moment for the synchronization to be completed. Okay, it's ready. So if we go to Languages tab, you will see Spanish, new language, and in the Translations tab as well. So now we need to translate it. So you can use auto-translation, or you can manually translate all the content. For an example, let's translate those two buttons, Book Now and View Rooms. So we can search for it, Book Now, in here. We see that there are two translation keys for this. Let's use auto translation for both of them, and it was View Rooms in here. Let's auto translate it as well, and now it automatically synchronizes with Webflow. So the changes that you make in SimpleLocalize are pushed instantly to Webflow, and they should appear within a moment on the Webflow page. So if we switch language to Spanish, it should be already translated. Yeah, you can see it here. So you can this way translate all your content or pages, collections, using SimpleLocalize, and use other options that SimpleLocalize offers, not only auto translation. You can use the review status to mark translations as reviewed. You can add context to your translations, so they are easier to translate for translators. You can invite other team members and much more. So I hope it's helpful and you will try out the Webflow integration. And if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks. Bye bye.